Hi there, students. You get what you pay for. I quite like this proverb. It says that the amount you pay, if you pay very little, if you pay something very cheap, you end up with something that's bad quality, it's not very good, and it's not going to last you very long. Or if you try to pay somebody the lowest wages, don't expect to get really good services from them. So the quality increases as the price increases. The more you pay for the things you buy, the better the quality they are. How much did you pay for that car? 100 quid. Don't complain it broke down. You get what you pay for. You buy a new car, it should work. Let's see, I generally agree with this phrase, you get what you pay for, but you need to be careful as well, because sometimes people try to pass off inferior goods, and some things I don't think are worth the extra money. So when you buy something, you should decide, do I want a really good one, or do I want just a cheap and cheerful one? And you get what you pay for. They use this very often to criticize cheap goods, things that were very cheap, as normally they're inferior. But things that are cheap are not always inferior. It depends. And it also then says as well that expensive things are good. Normally they're better quality, but you need to check. This reminds me of the phrase I did the other day. If you pay peanuts, you get monkeys. A company can't expect to employ its workers at the very lowest prices and then get the best workers. Okay? So, there's another one as well in this series. You buy cheap, you get cheap. And that's what this is saying. You get what you pay for. If you buy something cheap, then don't expect it to be the top quality. It might be, but not normally. Okay, so you get what you pay for. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. You get what you pay for.